The price of a can of drink is increased by 20%. How many cans can be purchased with the same amount of money that previously bought 300 cans? Okay, so to solve this problem, let's make some simple analysis here. Whenever the price of an article increases, the number of things that can be bought with a specific amount of money reduces. Let me make it more practical here. Suppose that a pen cost of a pen is 5 cedis, and it is increased by 20%, then the new price will then be the 5 cedis plus the increase, that is 20% of the 5 cedis, that is 20 over 100 times the 5 cedis. So this gives us 5 plus 20 over 100 is 0.2. We multiply that by 5 and we get 1 cedi, and that's equal to 6 cedis. That means that the new price is going to be 6 cedis. Now, suppose that initially, whenever I had 300 cedis, suppose that initially with 300 cedis, I can buy a specific number of pens. Okay, right. So initially the cost was 5. And so with 300 cedis, I can buy 300 over 5, which is actually 60 pens. So the number of pens I could buy initially was 60 pens. Now at 6 cedis, I want to know how much I can buy. We expect the number of pens I can buy to reduce, and that will be 300 over 6, and that's equal to 50 pence. So that means that whenever the price of an article increases, the number of things that can be bought with the same amount of money will actually reduce. Let's go into the problem then. Here we are not given any amount of money or something, but then we can go through it. Suppose that let price per can, the price per can be equal to P. What does that tell us? That means the new price at 20% increase will then be equal to the P plus 20 over 100, 20 over 100 P, right? The P plus 20 over 100 P, and that's equal to 20 over 100 is 0.2, so that will be 0.2 P plus P, and that gives us 1.2 P. So the new price is going to be 1.2 P. Now, the price of 300, so let me just say original price of 300 cans will then be equal to the price per can times the 300, and that's equal to 300 P. Right. Now, what does that tell us? That means we want to know how many cans can be bought with the 300p at the new price. That's basically what we are trying to find out. With 300p, which is what you would have originally used to buy 300 cans, how many of the cans now can you buy at 1.2p? That's per can. Yeah. So what does that mean? We simply write a simple relation. What do we do? Price of 300 cans is equal to the number of cans times the new price. So we want to know at this new price, how many cans can we buy? So we are keeping the price constant. with the same 300p, which we would have originally used to buy 300 cans. We want to know the number of cans. Let's say the number of cans we don't know, so let's let that be, let's say, x. So multiply that by 1.2p, and to find x, we divide 300p by 1.2, and we divide the right hand side, x times 1.2p by 1.2, by 1.2p, sorry, we divide through by 1.2p, and of course this 1.2p takes away this, so we get well, p here can also cancel that. We get 300 over 1.2, and 300 over 1.2 basically gives us 250, and that's equal to x. Therefore 250 cans can be bought with the same amount, that previously bought 300 cans. That's the solution. So I guess this is easy. Take note of the solution. Bye.